back. How are you all doing? So today I am making two varieties of soup. First one is the cream of spinach and second is the pumpkin soup. So nothing to wait, let's start cooking. So we will start with our pumpkin soup. So I've got 1 kg of pumpkin here. I'll transfer it to a roasting tray.
So to marinate the pumpkin, I'll just add in some olive oil so that the pumpkin doesn't burn. I'll just sprinkle some salt. Along with salt, I'll also add some black pepper.
So I'm also adding a little cheat here. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric powder, just a pinch. This will just enhance the color of our soup. So this is perfectly marinated now. And this goes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 1 hour. So while my pumpkin is getting roasted, I'll start my spinach soup preparation. For which I've got 1 bunch of spinach and I've nicely washed it. So I've got some boiling water here. I'll just add in a teaspoon of salt in this. And in goes my spinach. So I've blanched my spinach for around 2 to 3 minutes and I transfer it straight to the ice water.
It is very important step to transfer spinach straight to the ice water to let it maintain its color. We don't want our spinach to turn black. And then I'll just blend it to a nice thick paste.
So guys, now my spinach puree is ready and now we're gonna make a simple roux for this. So I've got 1 tablespoon of butter.
So this roux will provide the richness to the soup. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of refined flour along with some butter. Just give it a good mix and then add in 1 cup of milk. I'm adding half milk first to avoid any lumps. After the mixture is mixed, I'll add remaining milk. Just let it come to a nice boil and now I'll keep it aside.
So now it's time to finish our soup. First goes in some butter.
Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute it for around 30 seconds and then add your spinach puree. Give it a good mix. Season it with some salt, some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Mix it nicely. And then add in your sauce. Just give it a good mix again. And just let it cook for another 5 minutes and our spinach soup is ready. You can see the consistency.
So guys, now my pumpkin is also perfectly roasted.
Just look at the color. This is nice and soft now.
So now I just allow it to cool down for around 10 minutes and we'll make a quick sauce for our pumpkin soup also.
So for the sauce, add in a tablespoon of butter, some cloves of garlic. So we are gonna blend this sauce, so you can add in whole cloves of garlic. In goes 1 onion. Just saute it for around 2 minutes. Add in some salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just give it a good stir again. And now add in some water. And let it come to a boil. So with the help of a spoon, I'll just peel my pumpkin. This comes out very easily. Just look at this, this is perfectly peeled.
So now we'll just blend this sauce and this pumpkin together.
Just blend it to a smooth paste. You can even add in some water.
So now I've got a nice thick paste here. Now this is optional. If you want to strain it, you can even strain it to get that fine consistency.
I'll also add some water.
So this is perfectly strained. And you can always add in some water to bring it to proper consistency.
Now just stir it till it comes to a nice thick consistency. You can also adjust the seasoning according to your taste. And this is perfect consistency for our pumpkin soup.
And now I'll show you how to make a quick garnish for our pumpkin soup.
What I have here is some leftover pumpkin seeds which I'll just fry in some oil, which will be used as a garnish. And this needs to be done on a very low heat till it is nice, crispy and crunchy. Just add in some salt and black pepper. And you can see the color, this is perfectly browned. Time to serve our soups. These soups are full of fiber and can be enjoyed best in winters. So I've got some fried garlic to garnish my spinach soup along with some cream. My pumpkin soup garnish along with some cream.
So guys, this was 2 varieties of soup. If you like the recipe, do share your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye and take care.